In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Udemy. Whether you're looking to share your knowledge with the world or earn some extra income, Udemy is a fantastic platform to reach a global audience of eager learners. We'll walk through the entire process, from setting up an account to publishing your first course. So, let's dive in. First up, you'll need to log into your Udemy account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to create one. Just head over to Udemy's website and follow the prompts to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu running along the top of the site. Click on Teach on Udemy and then select Get Started. This will bring you to a quick onboarding session where Udemy will ask you a few questions about your teaching background and your goals. Your responses will help set up your personalized instructor dashboard, which is where all your course creation magic will happen. Now that you're on your instructor dashboard, let's make it your own. First, update your instructor profile. This is crucial as it gives potential students a feel for who you are. Begin by uploading a photo. This could be a professional headshot or a logo if you'd prefer. Next, craft a compelling biography or headline that highlights your expertise and teaching experience. If you have a personal website or social media profiles related to your teaching, go ahead and add those links as well. With your profile set up, it's time to create your course. Right on your dashboard, you'll see an option that says Create a Course. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to decide whether your course will be free or paid. This choice is important because if you're aiming to make money from your course, you'll need to meet certain Udemy requirements. Once you've made your decision, it's time to get to the heart of your course, uploading your content. Begin by structuring your course into sections or modules. Think of these as the main topics or units your course will cover. Within each section, you'll add lectures, which could be videos, text articles, PDFs, or even quizzes. It's a good idea to include quizzes or practice exercises to help reinforce the material and measure student progress. As you build your course, remember to choose an engaging course image, title, subtitle, and write a full description. This information will help draw students in and give them a clear idea of what to expect. Now, fill out your course landing page. This is essentially your course's storefront on Udemy. You'll need to reiterate things like your course title and subtitle and share a promotional video or trailer to showcase what your course offers. Clearly, outline the course description, what students will learn, any prerequisites or requirements, and your target audience. Don't forget to include a course image thumbnail to add a visual touch. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your course on Udemy, ready to share your knowledge and skills with learners from around the world. Go ahead and review everything before publishing, and then your course will be live. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you the best of luck with your course creation journey.